Hi, KC9CUK here. I just wanted to say hello to everybody. I know we just got done with Thanksgiving, and a lot of people have been messaging me and commenting on videos. Hey, we haven't had a new video in a long time. I apologize. I've been in the process of moving. That's why there's been such a delay on the videos. I'm finally getting to a point where I can start dedicating time to YouTube again, and I really look forward to doing that. You'll notice in the background I've got a temporary bench set up here at the new house. It just snowed almost a foot here in northern Illinois, and we just had Thanksgiving, so it's still kind of chaotic coming into the holidays here. But I do have a bunch of footage of stuff I've done over the last year, setting up towers, antennas, etc., etc., etc. I will be putting that footage together and making some nice videos here, hopefully in the next couple months. But I wanted to give everybody an update about what's been going on and what's the status of the channel. The channel is still alive and well, and we'll still be making videos. We look forward to doing that. Speaking of coming up videos, we're almost into 2026. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And down below, please make a comment of what you would like to see on the channel here in 2026, because I really want your guys' feedback. I've got like 1,000 subscribers, and I would really like to hear from everybody. You know, what do you want to see on the channel? And I'll try to make that happen to the best of my ability. So anyway, I didn't want to make too long of a video, but I just wanted to give everybody an update and let everybody know what's going on. And there's more videos to come. So thank you for everybody's patience. Thanks for all the support and all the subscribers. I really appreciate it. And like I said, if you could just take a moment to please subscribe. It sounds silly, but it does make a big difference. And please make a comment down below about what you'd like to see in the future here on the YouTube channel, and I'll try to make that happen. All right, guys, everybody enjoy their holiday. More videos to come.